Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. I have the latest leaks on Apple AirPods Pro 2. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. The Apple AirPods Pro deliver active noise cancellation and an improved design compared to the original AirPods, and that's why they're still the best Apple headphones you can buy today. However, at $249, they're pretty pricey too, and as such, can't be called the very best wireless headphones out. Even though they do come close, a rumored entry-level version of these Apple earbuds, the so-called AirPods Pro Lite, could change this. However, while the fit is better than the original AirPods, you will need to get used to controlling them with the capacitive, touch-sensitive ridge on each stem. This takes some getting used to, but it's a neat way to activate noise cancellation and skip tracks. There's so much Appleness that runs through the AirPods Pro from the initial setup. True wireless earbuds scan your ears to check they're the right fit, through to the fact there's a small air vent to make putting them in or removing them a more comfortable experience. The sound quality of the AirPods Pro has certainly improved since the previous iteration. There's a notable emphasis on vocals and bass, meaning these earbuds are better for pop fans than those that enjoy a more natural presentation that lends itself to classical music or more orchestral sounds. Long for Apple earbuds, not compared to the 8 to 9 hours other true wireless earbuds offer, and we found that the advertised 4 to 5 hours from a single charge was accurate. Although we recommend charging the case regularly, a wireless charging pad is a convenient and cool way to do this, as you can get caught out when the case has suddenly run out of juice. If you want the best headphones Apple has made, the AirPods Pro is the culmination of many years' work into a strong audio product. There are better true wireless earbuds out there, but for Apple fans and iPhone users, with the means to afford them, they're a great choice. If you own a pair of AirPods Pro earbuds or the new AirPods Max headphones, then you could be in line for a Netflix audio upgrade in the near future. The streaming service is rumored to be working on spatial audio support for the Apple devices. Both headphones come with the spatial audio feature thanks to a firmware update. Audio to the true wireless earbuds, first announced at the company's keynote in June, the spatial audio feature works in 5.1, 7.1, and Dolby Atmos, which positions sound all around you within a virtual sphere. That means that if you're watching a Dolby Atmos film that shows a plane flying overhead, it will sound as though the plane is really passing above you right now. It seems the feature only works with Apple TV Plus titles, and you'll need to upgrade your device to iOS 14. We're hoping that it will be supported by more platforms as time goes on. The new feature could even pave the way for Dolby Atmos music support on Apple Music. You'll only get the update if you have iOS 14. Note that not all iPhones will be able to download iOS 14. Anything older than the iPhone 6s won't be getting the full version of the operating system if your iPhone is compatible. As well as allowing for clever virtual Dolby Atmos, the AirPods Pro can now also track the motion of your head and your device to ensure that the audio always appears to originate from the correct position. Regular AirPods users won't get spatial audio, but the update has brought a new auto-switching feature. Means both the AirPods and the AirPods Pro can now magically switch over between devices, detecting automatically which device you are using. We've also been given a sneak peek of some of the features we might see in the rumored AirPods Pro 2. Apple has been awarded a patent that describes some of the features we could see in future AirPods Pro models, including the ability to control the true wireless earbuds with futuristic in-ear gestures. The patent, which was spotted by Patently Apple, describes how in-ear gestures, for example hovering a hand over the AirPods, could work alongside the touch controls already employed by the AirPods Pro, allowing you to trigger different actions. The AirPods Pro release date was October 30, 2019 worldwide, and you can pick them up from Apple and a number of other retailers. The important thing to note here is that they are not a replacement for the 2019 AirPods model, and that's reflected in the AirPods Pro price point. AirPods Pro for $249, which is a considerable hike over the 2019 AirPods $159 with the standard charging case, and even the $199 with the AirPods wireless charging case bundled in. Too pricey. It's rumored that a cheaper AirPods Pro model is on the cards. The AirPods Pro Lite could be an entry-level version of the noise-canceling earbuds, though a release date still eludes us. Like so many other Apple devices, the AirPods Pro instantly connect to your iPhone or iPad. Simply need to open the case to get going. Well, we say simply, you'll need to make sure that iOS 13.2 or above is downloaded to your device, so you can get, in Apple's words, all the advanced features on offer. We believe these are the new icons for the AirPods Pro, as well as the ability to control the transparency and noise cancellation directly from the control center. Once activated, the AirPods Pro will be automatically paired with your phone and all Apple devices linked to your iCloud, including Apple Watch, iPad, and Macs, so you won't need to keep connecting your new buds to your other Apple devices. Once you're in, heading into the Bluetooth settings will assess your fit, checking whether the earbud tips you've chosen, whether that's small, medium, or large. The medium is the default, are creating the right seal. Achieving a tight seal against your ear canal is an important aspect of the overall sound quality of the earbuds, and helps to create physical sound isolation and passive noise reduction. In a perfect world, no sound gets in, and no sound leaks out. This is achieved by the playing of a short piece of music, with the AirPods Pro microphones internally assessing whether this sounds as it should. If you're like most people and get a good fit, you're given the green light, or green lettering, to be more precise. This writer's ears are just terrible when it comes to having most kinds of earbuds fall out, and we achieved a good fit straight away, with the AirPods Pro feeling like they were in no danger of detaching from the old head holes easily. In the headphones reviewing world, we call that a plus. Playing around with the fit and letting them dangle loosely out showed that the AirPods Pro is able to tell when there's sound leakage. Another pal of ours who used the new AirPods for the first time found that Apple suggested a larger bud, and then the seal was fine. Switching between the tips and the box is, once again, very Apple. That's a positive or negative thing, depends on how you feel about the company. Rather than a silicone bud that you have to wiggle onto or off a small stem, these just click into place. This allows the AirPods Pro to have a more compact design, and makes setting them up to feel more premium. But at $4 a piece, they're not exactly cheap to replace. And while you can pick up new silicone tips for standard earbuds easily, fitting them to the new AirPods isn't as easy thanks to the little clips. Rather than simply wiggling silicone onto a stem, getting the ear tips on and off it, they don't snap off instantly and require a little bit of force to remove. However, the system seems robust, and once you gain the confidence to do so, it's fairly easy, and it's not like you'll have to do it that often. You might want to remove them once in a while for cleaning purposes though, and we're still not confident taking the bud off and on the stem without worrying a little that we're going to break something. The first thing we noticed in our early test is that the AirPods Pro are light. They're so light that, once plopped into the ears, it's hard to tell that they're actually there. While this lightness is a plus in terms of comfort, it could be a minus in other ways. We could easily imagine a situation where you lose one, and don't actually realize for a while that they're not there, except that your music would have stopped playing. The stems are much shorter than on the regular AirPods, and where you were able to tap the body of the older AirPods in order to skip tracks or activate Siri, the fit of the AirPods Pro means that would be a less comfortable experience here. Instead, there's a capacitive force sensor in the stem, a small ridge on each of the AirPods Pro, where squeezing said the area will activate noise cancelling, transparency mode, or skip and pause tracks. Initially this was a little tricky to get used to, as the shorter stems made it hard to find the ridge, but after a few minutes it became second nature. Although as the buds are quite compact, it does feel a little like you're pulling them out your ear every time you activate it. We found that it was thoroughly second nature, and there was an instant instinct to play, pause and skip tracks using this method. That is it guys. What features would you like to see on Apple AirPods Pro 2? Let me know in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.